Billy Bird rode his bike to his favorite tree just outside of Louisville, the Derby City. He stood on a large branch, furiously flapping his wings. He jumped, expecting to soar into the sky, but plunged to the ground in a flurry of feathers instead. Robbie Redbird called out, "Hey, Billy, if you want to fly, you've got to think up, not down." The other redbirds laughed and twittered. Billy thought, "I'll show them." He jumped, flapped his wings, flew about 2 feet, and down he sputtered. He sat on a big log, his head hung low, and sighed. "Why me?"
Wings are made to use for flight. Why don't mine work right? Flying is a redbird's life. I must ride a bike. Why me? Why me? Why me? Wings are made to use for flight. Why don't mine work right? Flying is a redbird's life. I must ride a bike. Why me? Why me? Why me?
Billy's girlfriend, Rhonda Redbird, landed beside him. She offered him a worm. "Hi, Billy. I brought you a present." "I'm not hungry, Rhonda. You eat it." "Shucks. I'm just a big, clumsy redbird who can't do anything right." "Billy Bird, stop feeling sorry for yourself. You're trying too hard. Just relax and feel the beat, like this." Rhonda took to the air, and the other redbirds followed her. They flew in synchronized flight, banking left, then right.
Redbirds, redbirds, watch us fly. We can wing our way up so high. Skillfully we cross the sky. Redbirds, redbirds, watch us fly. We can wing our way up so high. Skillfully we cross the sky. Redbirds, redbirds, watch us fly. We can wing our way up so high. Skillfully we cross the sky. Redbirds, redbirds, watch us fly. We can wing our way up so high. Skillfully we cross the sky. Skillfully we cross the sky. Skillfully we cross the sky.
Billy watched in awe. Rhonda urged him to join in, but he refused to try. She shook her head and flew off, leaving Billy alone. "Hey, big guy, what's got your beak so low?" asked a pink snail, squiggling toward Billy. "What? Where?" Billy asked, looking around. He spotted the snail. "Who?"
Peppy is my name, but you must agree I'm not at all peppy, I'm as slow as can be. Being smart is when I'm peppy, I can answer you quick. Any problem in science or arithmetic. Peppy is my name, and I must confess I get caught in the rain, but nevertheless I know more of Mother Earth. I know more what I like. Moving low to the ground, I learn more about life. I'm Peppy. Peppy. I'm not being profound, just let me explain. I move slow to the ground and fast in the brain. Peppy. Peppy. Peppy is my name, but you must agree I'm not at all peppy, I'm as slow as can be. Being smart is when I'm peppy, I can answer you quick. Any problem in science or arithmetic. Peppy is my name, and I must confess I get caught in the rain, but nevertheless I know more of Mother Earth. I know more what I like, moving low to the ground. I learn more about life. I'm Peppy. I'm not being profound, just let me explain. I move slow to the ground and fast in the brain. Peppy.
Billy looked puzzled. If you're so smart, Peppy, why can't I fly? You're missing the big picture here, replied the snail. Flying isn't everything.
Listen closely to my rhyme. The who, the what, the how in time will come to you. Keep up your chin. The rhythm comes from deep within. A bird's eye view will lead you to the place the redbirds wait for you. You'll flap your wings and lead the way to fun and laughter every day. Listen closely to my rhyme. The who, the what, the how in time will come to you. Keep up your chin. The rhythm comes from deep within. A bird's eye view will lead you to the place the redbirds wait for you. You'll flap your wings and lead the way to fun and laughter every day.
The who, the what, the how? That makes no sense, said Billy, scratching his head. You'll understand, giggled Peppy. Soon. Billy Bird climbed the tree again, feet over beak, to the lowest branch. An eagle watching from a nearby telephone pole made a diving swoop and nearly knocked Billy out of the tree. The bird of prey landed next to Billy. What's the problem, sonny boy? Your wings out of whack? I can't fly, replied Billy, head drooping. Listen, son, Sir Jake will let you in on a little secret. The rhythm of the soul begins and ends with you. The only way to understand is to feel the pulse in your body through and through. Slowly bring it out at your command. The rhythm of the soul is felt, not heard. You move to the beat of the heart. The rhythm of the soul in every bird starts simply and becomes an art. The rhythm of the soul begins and ends with you. The only way to understand is to feel the pulse in your body through and through. Slowly bring it out at your command. The rhythm of the soul is felt, not heard. You move to the beat of the heart. The rhythm of the soul in every bird starts simply and becomes an art. The rhythm of the soul begins and ends with you. The only way to understand is to feel the pulse in your body through and through. Slowly bring it out at your command. Slowly bring it out at your command. Slowly bring it out at your command. Sir Jake said, Hop aboard, sonny boy. I'll give you a real taste for flight. Billy rode piggyback, and the two headed skyward for Billy's first bird's eye view of Kentucky bluegrass. Jake banked and headed toward the city. There's Churchill Downs, said the eagle as they circled the area, and there's Cardinal Stadium over there. Cardinal Stadium? Questioned Billy. where the Redbirds play, kiddo." The magnificent scenery made Billy more determined than ever to fly. Sir Jake worked patiently with Billy every day for a week, and as long as he felt the rhythm, Billy flew short distances by himself. Billy remembered Peppy's rhyme, "The place the Redbirds wait for you." Could the place be Cardinal Stadium? Jake said the Redbirds play there, but he didn't see any Redbirds. Well, one afternoon, Billy was determined to find the answer, so he flew off on his own. A sudden whirlwind caught Billy off guard, and he panicked. He lost his rhythm and was blown about. A few terrifying moments later, he was grounded in Cardinal Stadium, center field.
Late one spring in Louisville, a wind came whistling through. Billy Bird was caught up in a gust before he knew. A whirlwind blew him round and round. He landed someplace new. With lights and people everywhere, what could a redbird do? Flap your wings, Billy Bird, show us what you got. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, we really think you're hot. In Cardinal Stadium, a game was on, the boys were 3 behind. Billy tried to fly out in the bottom of the ninth. The fans were so excited when they saw the bird's devotion. They thought it was a sign and started clapping to his motion. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, show us what you got. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, we really think you're hot. The slugger stepped up to the plate. 3 men were on the bases. With 2 outs down, the fans were going wild out of their places. Strike 1, strike 2, the umpire yelled. The pitcher took his aim. The ball was knocked out of the park. The Redbirds won the game. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, show us what you've got. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, we really think you're hot. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, show us what you got. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, we really think you're hot. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, show us what you got.
The Redbirds asked Billy Bird to be their mascot. He agreed, and now during every baseball game in Louisville, Billy rides his bike onto the field, flaps his wings, and brings laughter and joy into the hearts of the fans. Billy's much too busy having fun these days to worry about flying. He simply listens to the rhythm of his soul, and he's happier than he's ever been.
Flap your wings, Billy Bird, show us what you've got. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, we really think you're hot. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, show us what you got. Flap your wings, Billy Bird, we really think you're hot.
Since this story was written in the 90s, the Redbirds have become the Louisville Bats. The American Association folded in 1998, and the Redbirds became the minor league team associated with the Cincinnati Reds. If you want to see the team play, they're probably in Louisville Slugger Field, still drawing huge crowds, but you won't see Billy. He's been replaced by a bat. You'll find Billy out flying around Kentucky with his friends Rhonda and Jake.